this time we are going to Jamaica. We are staying a week at a villa in Jamaica, and you guys are coming with me. So yeah. So we landed safely, thank God. We had one of the best patties. So if you're ever in Jamaica, make sure you go to Tasty Patties. So good. So good. Now we're off to the villa. Oh, yeah. Hello. Yeah, same. Same. Me too. Yes, yes. And I want the real. First stop when you land would have to be Tasty Patty. 10 out of 10 patties, guys. The crust and the meat, so flavorful. The hammock with coffee. Imagine having coffee. Okay, imagine having coffee in this hammock. What's in here? Oh! Wow. Okay. Okay. We like this one here. Yeah, we like this you heard us, Kenny? We like this one by the pool. I'm ready to go to the pool now. This is the pool. Could we walk? Do you guys want to walk further? Private pool, guys. Don't play. Don't play. 5 feet. And then the beach. Okay, this is the balcony from my bedroom. It overlooks the Caribbean Sea. Absolutely gorgeous view. Breakfast time, then we're headed to Margaritaville. Up to this OOTD. This scarf, because it matches the suit, and this and this. I added this linen top. Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday you saw we did a boat day with the Catamaran, which was super fun. The weather was actually super perfect yesterday, so I'm glad we got to go. And I definitely got, a little sunburn. You see my shoulders are very sore and red. But it was like one of the highlights of the week so far. Today now was pretty much a chill day by the pool. Let me show you. It's kind of overcast today. You see? So today's not really beach day per se, but today I really just stayed at the villa. So here we have the chef that cooks the food for us, and so far I'll show like a compilation video, section in this video of the foods that I've had so far. And so far I'll tell you the food 10 out of 10. Compared to the resort, I feel like at the villa, since they're not cooking for so many people, the food tastes so much better here. More flavor, you know, to me, in my opinion, as opposed to going to a resort, then they're cooking for like thousands of people. And honestly, in the past, it's been so disappointing to me. So I am right now, I'm in my happy space, and just to be able to chill by the pool, it's ideal. It's ideal for me. So yeah, nothing really to go crazy about. One thing here, there are like these big holes in the ground. I'm going to show you. And apparently they're like land crabs in there. But when you see the size of these holes, oh my gosh. Like, that's scary. I like don't want them to come out while I'm here at all. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that real quick because please stay in that hole. Please stay in that hole. I'm not sure what is on the menu for the dinner today, but when that time comes, I will let you guys know. I think it's so cute though, when it's like, when the dinner's ready, the butler will ring the bell and then we're like, okay, it's time to eat. And the way I've been eating here, but when in Rome, I guess, is what they say. So when I get back to the States, Orange Theory and Pier Bar will be calling me. Who's calling my phone? Orange Theory and Pier Bar, okay? Definitely. But I'm enjoying myself for sure. I will pick you guys back up when I get ready for dinner, show you my OOTD and what's on the menu. I think tomorrow's plan is to go to one of the nicer beaches on the island. It's like an hour away. It's called Portland. Well, the area is Portland, and the beach is called Frenchman's Cove. And from what I hear, it's like very pretty, very pretty. So I hope to get some good footage there and pictures too. But I'll take you guys with me for sure. But I'll pick you guys back up. Let's do an OOTD today. Today's a beach day. We're going to Doctor's Cave. So I put these glasses on, right? Now I'm going to show my OTD via reflection. Jamaica. We have shorts. We have this swimsuit today. And this bottom. And we're going to look cute. Got the coconut, girl. Oh, that would make a good picture. Welcome back. I know I've been MIA for a few, but don't worry, the footage is still here. The footage is still here. Today we're actually going to a place called Stush in the Bush, and basically it's a tasting menu. It's like all organic, farm to table, natural. Definitely looking forward to that experience. If you're ever in Jamaica, I highly recommend trying it out and at least experiencing it one time. So we are on the way to that. This is what I'm wearing today. I had on a dress, but I didn't feel too comfortable in the dress because apparently this place, so you drive like up a mountain and then you have to get out of the car and then the owners come meet you and then take you further up in the mountain. So I didn't want to wear a dress and not feel comfortable, you know, so I put on this top that I got from Anthropology and some jeans, and that's what we're gonna do today. But before we go, I wanted to show you guys this view of my balcony. Let me show you. Okay. Look. That is so stunning. Like, really? Like, can you guys see that? It looks so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, we'll be on the way to going to experience this whole farm to table experience. Looking forward to it. It should be 10 out of 10 good. I'm convinced because it wasn't cheap, but we'll go together. We made it here. Thanks so much. Thank you. Thanks.
Hello.
This way? Should I go this way? Oh, thanks. Thanks so much.
All right, folks. Anyone that needs the restroom, go through that. Thank you, Chris. There. You can drop your bag or something inside. Your table should be marked, and then our guest staff.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's so good, guys. Look at what I got. It's all mixed up on the plate, but you can't miss the meat. Look.
Coconut,
10 out of 10. It's so good. So this is a plant-based pasta. Let's see how it tastes. Let me show you guys first.
We are currently issuing hotel vouchers as well as transportation. If you purchase any item from the duty-free area, please take them back to the store. Once you get here at the desk, we're going to provide you with